Hey guys, so today I like put my hand
really
up.
close.
Oh, you want me to do that?
No, it doesn't matter.
No, I have to. Hey guys, so today we are going to be filming an unboxing. We got some like camera stuff. So yeah, we have 2 packages. So do you want to start?
I don't care. We already opened them because we don't want to go through the whole struggle of opening them.
Yeah, we haven't looked at them.
I mean, we know what they are.
Well, yeah, we know what they are. This one.
So I used to have. This is the camera bag I have for my stuff right now that I'm using.
And that's the old
But
cover.
we needed another one because we're planning on getting more camera gear. Plus, we have both of our cameras now. So we got this one.
Pretty big.
This one is the Amazon Basics camera backpack. So we got this. And then
We'll do like a review. We're just gonna show you what we got first. In my package, we got the Joby Gorilla Pod for SL. It's the SLR zoom and ball head. So
yeah, and we used to for the vlog we did at the zoo. We used this one, but this is like a $10 one that I've
And
had
it's
for
way
a few
smaller.
years. Yeah, it's a lot smaller. Like I think it goes like all the way up to the top of the box.
So
And this one's like
we'll open this.
maybe an inch or so smaller. Need a little help there.
Why are you trying to do this?
Because I have the magic fingers. Gorilla Pod SLR zoom
Oh, it's so
and ball
pretty.
head.
Oh my god. Okay, so this is the tripod. It has a level. It has this thing. How do you even use this?
That's to tighten it. So when you loosen it, you can move it around.
Oh, it's
It
so...
sounded like it broke.
Yeah, it definitely did. Yeah, I really
It's
like
like good
this.
grip.
Yeah, and it's like really, it's like thicker, so it's easier to like hold. And we'll know when it's level.
Yeah. Well, I don't really care about that personally. I think it looks cool when you don't have things perfectly.
I like how this one doesn't move. Like these things don't move as easy. Like this one is
Well,
like
yeah.
so flimsy. Like it just.
That's why Joby's like the one that everyone gets.
Yeah.
Because it actually works.
And these ones suck. Don't buy those. Buy this one.
Yeah, if you have $50 lying around. It was $50, right?
Okay, so from how it seems, it's. I can't even move this thing. It's good quality. I hate when like you can't get the balls all straight again. Like that annoyed me.
So we don't need this one anymore. Whoa. I was really hoping that would land on the bed. And it did. Oh, I was about to say let's put the camera on it, but we're using the camera.
So the book bag is big enough to hold a laptop and all of our camera stuff. That's what I requested because when we're taking photos and we want to like edit pictures and we're out, it just holds like all of the stuff that we need. It has side pockets on the sides. Just on this side. Oh, this side's for a tripod to strap it on. And then it has this front pouch that you could just hold like memory cards and like small stuff like that. In this section, we have the camera section. So this has like dividers, and like for the camera, and it's like fleece. It's fleece inside, so it doesn't damage your camera equipment. And it has like a bunch of dividers, so you can fit a bunch of stuff. And you can move the dividers. You can move them to fit your needs. Ooh,
We're the
a bag. This is a
That's
cover,
a cover for you,
so it doesn't get wet. Yeah, and this is like camera section. And the back has like the straps and the waist thing. So I think that's it. So far I think it's good.
So yeah. Got all the dividers, custom fits.
Are we gonna even
We
use
could
this?
put our tripod here. Well, I'll bring that tripod around with this, but like, just for demonstration purposes.
I mean, but that one has like a bag.
I don't have to use a bag. And then this one's got these annoying, like, straps here for your.
But it's gonna be good in the long run, so
Should
like.
probably wear a white shirt to show this.
It's okay.
No one can see them.
Yeah.
Chest and waist straps
That's good because like.
to take the
Yeah,
stress off
so
your
then you
back
won't be-
and shoulders. I could be a backpack model. That's my model pose.
It's weird. Your head's like cut off.
I hate how this is so high though. Like if it was actually at my waist, then that would be a
Well,
lot
then
more
loosen the
comfortable.
straps a little.
But then this is too high.
You can loosen this one too. Can you see?
This is. See now this feels weird. I like it though. It's comfy, actually. Now that I have the straps fitted, it's good. I mean, we'll figure out.
Yeah.
We'll use everything for a little bit. So the backpack and the tripod, and then give a proper review at some point in the future.
We'll probably put it in one of our vlogs.
Yeah.
So you just gotta watch those to see which one it's in.
Playlist in the description, as well as a card will be on the video, like the little eye. I think it's that corner. It might be that corner. I don't know.
Okay. This is the end of the video.
That was boring.
If you guys liked this video,
They didn't.
how do you know? They didn't thumbs it up.
Exactly.
Well, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up to show him that he's wrong.
So now you're gonna pin everyone against me.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Subscribe also.
That's not what a real girlfriend would do.
Make sure you guys subscribe to see more vlogs and, well, more vlogs. This is not a vlog.
Well,
To see our vlogs.
There are vlogs.
And if you guys think we should also film some like challenges or like sit down videos, you comment that down below.
I mean, we're probably going to anyways.
Yeah, so we don't really care.
So-
Just kidding. We care what you guys think.
Expect
And
some in the future,
if you guys have like
whether
any,
you wanted it or not.
if you guys have any suggestions, comment them down below of like challenges or like sit down videos you would like to see or like places that we should go. That would be fun. Like
Yeah.
vlog places that they want us to go.
Nothing where we have to like travel though, because we don't have that kind of money.
True. We live in Cleveland, Ohio.
So if there's like anything in that area that you want to see us go to, let us know.
Down below. And also follow both of us on Instagram and Twitter. Well, no, not on Twitter for you.
Nice plug. Yeah, I don't have
Instagram,
Twitter.
mainly because we don't really use Twitter.
Yeah.
So Instagram, mine is at It's Brit&Nicole and his is,
At Elhorn10.
yeah. They're always in the description. And is that it? I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, check out our previous videos, our vlogs, and they're coming out every Friday. We haven't mentioned that yet. So.
If you live in the Cleveland area and you need senior photos, look up or click the link in the description for Born Photography.
Yeah.
We do what I would consider cheap senior photos. And we'll be offering plenty more services for photography, such as events, portraits, and products. And was that it? I think there was something else. I don't know. We're gonna try to do videography stuff at some point, but we gotta learn a little more about that because it's a little more difficult.
Yeah. So.
But yeah, if you have any things like that, let us know. I think that's it.
I wanted to say something.
I don't know. I can't read your mind.
I don't know. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you. I was gonna say on the flip side.
That's what I said at the end of the last one.
We'll catch you in our next video.